Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful morning here in Riwaka, New Zealand. And we're just here in the caravan, just chilling out this morning. Not doing much, it's Sunday, so you know, it's all really chilled out today. Hello, say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so today we've decided we're going to the beach, but first for this cheat day, we're gonna get McDonald's because,
Babe, I'm having a Big Mac, the McChicken, and the fillet of fish. You get a Big Mac and chicken nuggets.
We'll see about that. Should we half one?
No.
Okay,
Okay,
we'll
then
see.
you get the 2 chicken burgers. I ate 2 Big Macs and fillet of fish.
Can we get can I have one Big Mac and one chicken burger and the nuggets?
What?
And so you get one Big Mac,
Yeah.
one chicken burger. There's 2 Big Macs, 2 chicken burgers, eh?
No, 2 Big Macs, a chicken burger, and a fish burger.
Oh.
So I'll have the 2 Big Macs and a fish burger. Okay, you have a
What?
Big Mac and the chicken nuggets. You ever get a Big Mac and chicken nuggets?
Wait, what do you get in it?
There.
No worries.
Okay, we're in the car now. And all the stuff we were talking about before, we're going to share the food. We're not all eating like 3 burgers because that's way too much food.
Oh, I am.
We'll see. Yeah, and this is not an everyday meal for me or
It
him.
is.
It's not. It's a treat meal.
A treat meal.
He's full of
We
it.
did this last night.
Did not. Oh, did not. Anyway, we're back on Monday. I'm back on the plan.
You do it all the time.
Shut up. Back on Monday. I'm on the plan. So.
What plan?
Oh my God! Shut up. We're here. Oh, you almost went. It's very busy today because there's a market in the town that we live, or we live just outside of it. But yeah, there's the Golden Arches. First time going through the drive-thru as well. So, oh, watch out for the biker. Someone let us out. It is really busy. You can't see it. Why don't I show you? But yeah, it's market day that people are gonna look at me. Okay, everyone. So we just finished McDonald's and we filmed a mukbang, which is also on the channel. I will try and put a link to it below. If not, I might put it up in either corner. If not, it should be on my channel, on my videos, under playlist mukbangs, or it should just be the video before this one. Anyway, I'll put a sneak peek of that in here now. Oh, overboard. Oh my God, there's so many. Holy. Sure, I'm eating. But this is the aftermath of the video. It was good. Michael's just gone out there somewhere. Oh shit. Whoops. To go pee. Yeah. There's like water. Still good though. We're running to this pool. So nice.
Very nice.
Say hi. Stunning. Say hi. Hi.
Bye.
So we've just been to the beach and now we're at the fruit and veg shop to get some, okay, let me stop here, to get some fruit and veg for dinner. To clarify, we're just getting vegetables for dinner, we're not eating fruit for dinner. Okay, we're back from the beach and I'm just in the car right now. Don't worry, I'm not driving. I'm going to the supermarket on my own. Yeah. Michael's working out. Yeah, so today's been a good day. We had dinner, steak salad. It was so good. Steak was cooked. Anyway, yeah, so today's been fun. Good day, good beach day. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed. And yeah, see you next time. Peace.